Now, BJP MLC C.T. Ravi has been given bail by the Karnataka High Court after his dramatic arrest over allegations of making derogatory comments against the State Minister Lakshmi Hebelkar. The BJP protested statewide across the state with regards to the arrest. The Congress, on the other hand, has defended the police action. Take a look at what's happening between the BJP and the Congress in the state of Karnataka.
Dramatic scenes unfolded at the Suvarna Vidhan Sauda in Belgavi on Thursday evening as the Karnataka police took BJP MLC C.T. Ravi into custody for allegedly making derogatory remarks against a Karnataka woman minister. India Today has accessed the video that triggered the police action. C.T. Ravi and the Karnataka minister Lakshmi Hebelkar can be seen arguing in this video. The Congress claims the BJP MLC accused Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha and Congress Party MP Rahul Gandhi of being a drug addict. In response, the minister called Ravi a murderer, alleging his role in a road rage case. Ravi then lashed out, allegedly calling the minister a prostitute. Later, the BJP claimed he had used the word frustrate.
अगर सदन में एक मंत्री को अगर प्रोस्टिट्यूट बोलेंगे, प्रोस्टिट्यूट करके संबोधित करेंगे, तो कौन सी महिला राजकारण में आगे आएगी? राहुल गांधी जी को इररिलेवेंट था, राहुल गांधी जी का नाम लेना ही नहीं था, राहुल गांधी जी का कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं था.
The situation got tense as the minister's supporters tried to hit the BJP MLC in the assembly building. Ravi was taken into custody when he was staging a protest along with BJP leaders and members. The BJP leader on Friday claimed his life was in danger. In a video being circulated widely, Ravi can be seen questioning the police officials. He filed an assault case against the Congress leaders who allegedly tried to attack him.
ತಾನಾಸಾಯಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ಸರ್ವಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ದಿನ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಚುಕ್ತ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಜನಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Ravi also alleged physical and mental harassment by the police.
They have taken him single, and no MLC was there along with him. He was taken into secluded place also, and literally the Congress workers were also following the police vehicle. Anything could have happened.
The Congress defended the police action.
Immediately he has said that you are a prostitute. So this is the culture of the more than 10 times he has said that. So this is the culture of the BJP.
The face-off between the Congress and the BJP started when the Grand Old Party staged protests against Union Home Minister Amit Shah over his statement that the Congress claimed insulted Baba Saheb Ambedkar. With Sagai Raj, Bureau Report, India Today.